Hello, language learners, and welcome back to Idiom IQ. Today, we've got a lesson that's going to elevate your English skills to the next level. Let's dive into some body parts idioms, their meanings, and how you might see them used in everyday situations. So, grab a pen and paper because you're in for a treat. Number 1, break a leg. This means good luck. Let's take a look at this situation. Sarah is going on stage for her school play. You can say, "Sarah, break a leg out there." Number 2, cold feet. This means to get nervous. Picture this. Tim is about to go on a roller coaster, but starts to hesitate. What will you ask him? Tim, are you getting cold feet? Number 3, cost an arm and a leg. Meaning very expensive. What if you see a super pricey dress at the store? This will be your initial reaction. Wow, that dress cost an arm and a leg. Number 4, pull someone's leg. Meaning to joke around. Picture this, you tell mom that you saw a unicorn in the yard. This might be her reply, "Are you pulling my leg?" Number 5, bite your tongue. This means shh, don't say it. Picture this, you were about to tell a secret that someone asked you to keep, but she caught you and said, "You better bite your tongue." Number 6, lend an ear. This means listen up. When you want someone to listen to your day, you can say, "Could you lend me an ear? I had a rough day." Number 7, heart of gold. Meaning, very kind. For example, your grandma always helps her neighbors. You can tell her, "Grandma, you have a heart of gold." Number 8, nosy, meaning too curious. Picture this, your friend is asking too many questions about someone's private life. You might react and say, "Don't be so nosy." Number 9, eye candy. Meaning, looks amazing. Imagine this situation. Everyone is staring at the beautiful fireworks. You can say, "These fireworks are real eye candy." Number 10, finger-lickin' good, meaning yummy food. Picture this, you're eating some delicious fried chicken. The best reaction would be, "This chicken is finger-lickin' good." Number 11, cry over spilled milk. This means no use being sad about it. There are things and situations we can't control and events that already happened. No use crying over spilled milk. Number 12, a chip on your shoulder. Meaning feeling grumpy. For example, your friend Mike is mad because he lost his video game. You can say, "Mike, you've got a chip on your shoulder." Number 13, thumbs up. Meaning good job. Picture this, you are a teacher and your student drew a beautiful picture. You can say, "That's a thumbs up from me, Sarah." Number 14, head over heels. This means super happy or in love. Picture this. You got a new car and you love it. You can say, "I'm head over heels for my new car." Number 15. Twist someone's arm. This means to persuade or convince. Imagine you want to go to hiking, but your friends don't like it. You can ask them, "Do I have to twist your arm to get you to come with me for a hike?" Hope these examples make understanding these idioms as easy as pie. That concludes our lesson. These are versatile phrases that you'll encounter frequently in English conversations, so mastering them is a valuable skill. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep exploring the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions here at Idiom IQ. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more language tips and idiomatic adventures. Until next time, take care and happy learning.